Yeah, it can't be bypassed in the sense that you can somehow, sweep around it and go into the marketplace, because the marketplace itself is the biggest mirror that we have, and it's going to trigger everything that is unprocessed, if you like, unmet, unloved, unworthy, unwanted in your experience. Do you see what I mean? It's a kind of logic in a sense, because when you understand that the world is a mirror in some ways, or at least on some level, then that's exactly what's going to happen, because we embark on a journey, and then the world says, well, okay, how sincere are you about this journey? Because the world is intelligent. Let's say the intelligence inside the world is intelligent, more intelligent than we are. We're a mirror of the of that intelligence. But that intelligence says, if you want unity, if you want holism, if you want the integrity of being, if you want to know yourself deeper and you want to carry that deeper knowing into the world, well, then here's the mirror, because this is what's blocking you. This is what's preventing you. This is what's getting in the way, if you like. It's not really getting in the way, but that's the way it's presented to us. And so there we are. Well, I don't want that. Yeah, I don't like that aspect, because then I forget the great equanimity of my awareness. And this trigger comes along, and it's a mess, because it goes on and on and on. But that's the call. That is the call. There's your grace right there, and we don't know what to do with that, because it's like, okay, Kavi, I hear what you're saying, but how? Which is one of the biggest questions on the spiritual path for the contemporary seeker anyway. How do I get beyond this endless trigger mechanism? How do I get beyond this endless anxiety? And in a way, there's no kind of easy answer to that, because from here, from what we do, from the work that we do, everything that arises in you has to be included in how you walk in the world and who you are. There's nothing wrong with anxiety. There's nothing wrong with shame. It doesn't need to be done. It does need to be loved. We need to love everything, because everything is an energy that actually seeks to come to the resolution of wholeness within us.